You might recognize this face, a face that's as sharp as a stock market spike and as well-groomed as a Wall Street executive's ego. Yep, we're talking about none other than Bill Ackman, the man with a beard that's seen more market swings than a playground in a hurricane. His eyes? They sparkle with the promise of profit and the thrill of the deal, like a kid in a candy store filled with dollar signs. And that smile? Well, let's just say it's got more charm than a penny stock pitch at a family reunion. So buckle up, because when this face appears, you know it's time for some financial fun. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. In today's video, we are diving into Bill Ackman's easy-peasy guide to investing. But hold up, before you start picturing fancy suits and big words, let's keep it real. Investing can be as chill as ordering pizza on a Friday night. So, grab your snacks and get cozy, because we're about to break it down in a way that's so simple, even your grandma could understand. From smart moves to funny stories, this guide is easy to get and totally worth sharing. Let's dive in and make finance fun together. And just like taking that first delicious bite of pizza, let's start with the juiciest slice of wisdom. Picture Bill as the Sherlock Holmes of finance. But instead of solving mysteries, he's cracking the code to profitable investments. But wait, who exactly is this Bill Ackman character anyway? Well, a mix between a financial genius and your favorite superhero. That's Bill. He's the mastermind behind Pershing Square Capital Management, a hedge fund management company that's like the Disneyland of investments, but with less roller coasters and more profit potential, with a net worth estimated at a cool $3.6 billion by Forbes. Bill is not just a big shot on Wall Street, he's practically the king of the castle. So what's his winning formula? Well, it's all about being an activist investor. No, we're not talking about protesting with picket signs, although that would be quite the sight. Activist investors like Bill buy up big chunks of a company that they think could do better, kind of like finding a hidden treasure map. Then, they roll up their sleeves and get to work, using their influence to shake things up and steer the company towards success. In 2010, Ackman and his squad swooped in like financial superheroes to rescue the real estate investment trust, General Growth Properties, from the brink of bankruptcy. Despite hitting a roadblock when trying to sell the company, General Growth bounced back and bought back its shares, turning Ackman's initial $60 million investment into a mind-blowing $1.6 billion jackpot. But hold on to your hats, cause we're not done yet. Fast forward to 2020, when the world was rocked by the coronavirus pandemic. While most of us were stocking up on toilet paper, Ackman saw an opportunity to make some serious moolah. With a savvy investment of $27 million in credit default swaps, he rode the pandemic wave like a pro surfer catching the perfect wave. And just like that, several weeks later, Ackman cashed out his CDS portfolio for a staggering $2.6 billion. And there's more. Now, Ackman's got a strategy that's as solid as a brick house. He is all about holding on to large positions in a select few large cap value stocks. It's like taking a page out of Warren Buffett's playbook, which is why some folks call it Buffett investing. So if you want to invest like boss, Ackman's your guy. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next big winner in the finance game. So how does his magic work? Let's break it down with some golden nuggets of investing wisdom straight from our financial superhero, Bill Ackman. Here are key takeaways you will want to keep in mind as you embark on your own investment journey. Number 1. Keep it simple. Firstly, Ackman's preference for simplicity is like ordering your favorite pizza. Why settle for a confusing menu with too many options when you can just go for the classic pepperoni? Instead of diversifying across numerous companies, he focuses on a select few that he thoroughly understands. For instance, his investment in Chipotle Mexican Grill. By closely analyzing Chipotle's business model and potential for growth, Ackman was able to make a substantial investment that paid off handsomely over time. Number 2. Learn from mistakes. Secondly, Ackman's willingness to learn from mistakes is exemplified by his decision to sell his stake in Valiant Pharmaceuticals. Despite initially believing in the company's potential, Ackman ultimately recognized the flaws in its business model and management practices. By cutting his losses and moving on, he demonstrated the importance of admitting when an investment thesis doesn't pan out. It's like trying to assemble IKEA furniture without reading the instructions first. Sure, you might mess up at first, but once you admit defeat and start over, everything falls into place. Don't be afraid to try different paths to reach your investment goals, but avoid making unnecessary mistakes if you can. What do you make of his ideas? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your feedback keeps us going and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. Back to our video. Number 3. Don't worry about short-term ups and downs. Thirdly, Ackman always thinks long-term. He's like a wise owl perched on a branch, calmly watching as others flutter around in a panic. While some investors freak out over short-term ups and downs, Ackman stays cool and waits for the perfect moment to make his move. It's like investing in Starbucks and knowing that even if the stock price takes a temporary dip, it is still the same delicious coffee everyone loves. Number 4. Think long-term. Lastly, Ackman's commitment to a well-defined investment strategy is evident in his approach to holding large positions in companies with strong value potential. It is like sticking to your favorite TV show despite the occasional bad episode. You know there's still plenty of good stuff ahead. Take his investment in Lowe's Companies Incorporated. By identifying Lowe's as an undervalued asset with room for growth, Ackman positioned himself for long-term success as the company's value appreciated over time. With Lowe's stock doubling in value over the past few years, it's like binge-watching your favorite show and never wanting it to end. To sum it all up, Ackman's Guide to Smart Investing offers a cool perspective on tackling the financial jungle. His knack for simplicity, flexibility, and long-term vision brings a breath of fresh air to the investment game. From his winning moves with Chipotle Mexican Grill to his savvy decision to bail out on Valiant Pharmaceuticals, Ackman shows us the power of learning from mistakes. Plus, his chill attitude towards market ups and downs, coupled with a solid strategy, like his bets on Lowe's Companies Incorporated, teaches us the value of staying cool and sticking to our guns. So whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor, taking a leaf out of Ackman's book can lead to smoother sailing in the turbulent waters of investing. Great, isn't it? And that's a wrap for today's video. Today, we've explored some smart investing tips inspired by Ackman's savvy moves. Keeping it simple by focusing on companies he knows, learning from mistakes, and maintaining a long-term mindset despite short-term market swings. By adopting these strategies, simplicity, learning, resilience, and long-term thinking, investors can navigate the financial world with confidence, following Ackman's lead. Now, it's your turn to put these ideas into action. Take a look at your investment strategy. Could it benefit from a bit of Ackman-esque simplicity? Embrace the learning curve, ride out the storms, and remember, the best investments often require a little patience and a lot of staying power. If you found these tips helpful, why not stay updated with more insights and strategies? Subscribe to our channel for regular investment tips like this video, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers to your coming financial success!